Come test drive the 2006 Envoy XL. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 4.2-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, daytime running lights, fog lights, roof rack. Inside you'll find universal remote transmitter, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, power steering, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, child seat anchors. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You've found it, so stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.